my sous chef is horrible.
You suck.
He's still on here because I gave him second chance, okay? I was sad without him. Today we are making nature salad. First, you need a plate. Fine plate, fine plate. You can buy it anywhere in Hawaii. Next, you need decorations. Because to make it look pretty, here hold the decorations.
Okay.
Next, of course, you need salad. This is the freshest salad you can find in the world. And finally, croutons. You need croutons on everything. Okay, first, first, put salad on plate. Next, please, smash decorations.
Yes.
You miss! Okay, enough! Enough! You only need one. What? Next, grab croutons. Like I said before, in Mexico, we crunch the croutons and blow it on our food. That's okay. Now, would you like to try the nature salad? Give this to me. I don't need that. No.
How does
Think
it
this is
taste?
funny?
Yes.
Taste it. How did you like it?
This is like your mom.
What the fuck? Get out! I don't want you here ever again. Why do we always fight? Go back to. Oh, that really did me.
Cut.
Hello, it is me again, Bunto, and with my new sous chef, George. So, George, where are you from?
I'm from Colorado.
How is the weather like in Colorado?
It sucks.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is your family like?
They're pretty awesome. But not when they give me lickings, they grab a hammer, slap me in the butt.
I'm sorry to hear. I heard you always wanted to be on the show.
Yes, I heard you're a good chef.
Oh, thank you, thank you. One day you will become like me.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay then. Today, we are going to be making nature spaghetti with Bunto and George.